Here's a new 2021 Honda CR-V. Welcome to what feels like home. It's sleek-looking, fuel-efficient, and roomy enough for family and cargo. And get ready for an impressive combination of features. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine. Front heated leather bucket seats. Streaming audio. Auto-dimming rear view mirror. Dual zone climate control. Memory exterior door mirror settings. External memory control. Express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof. Remote engine start. And continuously variable automatic transmission. Honda has a world-renowned reputation for reliability. They say a journey of 1,000 miles begins with one step. Well, in this case, it begins with a test drive. Start your next adventure today.
Welcome to your comfort zone. Honda of Tenafly. We're conveniently located minutes away from Route 4, Route 9W, and the Palisades Interstate Parkway.